Keep your hips low here. Focus on pushing through the hands. Hold for 3, 2, and 1. Lower the knee down. Good. Create a kickstand with the leg. Left hand comes under your shoulder. Right arm reaches up for modified side plank. For those that would like to take it, lift the right leg so the foot is about hip height. Holding for 3 breaths. Final breath in. With your breath out, lower the foot if it's lifted. Then extend the left leg in front of you, either keeping the foot on the floor or hovering it. Hold for 1 more breath in. Exhale out, lower the foot down. Sit the hips down to come into straddle. Maybe this time you take it a little bit wider, find what feels right. And then roll your shoulders back, lift your chest, inhale. And with your exhale, guide yourself into a fold. Doesn't need to be the deepest, just wherever is accessible. We'll pause this time for 5 breaths. So really slowing down your inhale and your exhale.